Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about packaging of ice cream and ice cream products. Ice cream packaging. Ice cream is a frozen dairy product made by suitable blending and processing of cream and other products together with sugar, flavor, with or without stabilizer, color with incorporation of air during the freezing process. Hence, these ice cream products are made by combination of different products and it is stored under low refrigerated conditions. The selection of packaging materials and methods are very much important. Considering the factors that determine the nature of the packages includes variables that affect choice of raw materials, performance of packages in storage and transport, marketing considerations, consumer acceptance, purchase and use, public concern, which includes easy to open, convenient, complementary sets, particularly the spoons and other things for diverse applications. In major, selection of packaging according to strength, hygiene, appearance, cost and availability. Types of ice creams. In the market, there are different types of ice creams available. The major types are plain ice cream, flavored ice cream, fruit ice cream, nuts ice cream, milk lollies, ices or ice bars, sarbat and novelties. These are all the major ice creams available in the Indian market as well as globally. Packaging methods for ice cream products. Take home containers. Novelty cotton cups or boxes. It is made by either plastics or cardboard papers with polyethylene liners. Retail cups 500 ml, 250 ml or 1 liter milk ice creams are packed in plastic containers. Single services, either it may be a metallized pouches or craft paper or cardboards, plastic cups, all are used in this type of packaging. Packaging materials for ice cream. Rolled sugar cone. This most popular cone is largely used by the branded ice cream manufacturers globally, only with a change in sleeve or jacket. Size, the ice cream contents can be varied. Excellent barrier properties in the refrigerated condition. For this type of rolled sugar cone, it is mainly covered with the cone sleeve and lid. It is used in ice cream industry. Various sizes are available sleeves and these sleeves are made by either craft paper or cardboard lined with lacquers, otherwise polyethylene. Sometimes it is also made with aluminum foil and adhesive materials. Paper cup and lid. Cardboard cups are available in different sizes. Mainly it is made by cardboard coated with lacquers, liner with low density polyethylene and it is printed by different colors. Push-up tubes. Normally this type of ice cream candies are packed by cardboard tubes and these tubes are coated with lacquers, printed by different colors of inks, and outside it is liner with polyethylene. It is available in different sizes, maximum up to 750 mm, and the materials are made by biaxially oriented polypropylene or laminated with polyester, and the thickness of the packaging materials are available with different microns 20, 25, 30 and 35, and printing inks maximum up to 6 to 8 colors are available in the market. In considering the plastics, the plastic containers are also used in the packaging of ice cream. It is an ideal material for packing large volume of ice creams. Mainly it is made from strong polypropylene with plastic or wire handles. Polyethylene, it has very good moisture barrier, chilled for frozen foods and for heat stability. Polypropylene for grease resistance and higher temperature resistance. Metallized polyester film laminates for decorative and functional barrier properties. Polystyrene, high impact polystyrene, thermoformed containers are also used for ice creams. The plastic molded ice cream containers available in the market ranges from 150 ml to 2500 ml in size. Another packaging methods or materials, it is ice cream novelty modes. These novelty modes are available in different shapes and different size, particularly ball shape, strawberry shape, matka shape and mango shape. It is portable in sizes and easy to open. Different color combinations, thus attracting the buyer. Highly leak proof and has longer life, and it can be washed and reused many times. Another packaging material, poly-coated consumer board. It is also called multi-pack boxes, otherwise offset boxes. Safe Pack, being specialized in paper and paperboard flexible packaging materials, offers vast range of poly-coated consumer boards. Very thin, low-density polyethylene coating could be done on duplex board either in roll or sheet form, otherwise in folding cotton after printing use for packaging of ice cream. Here also, apart from that cardboard, it is also liner are coated with lacquers and also printed by different colors of inks. The principal board types used are as following: gray board or duplex board or unlined chipboard, white lined chipboard, folding box board, coated natural craft, solid bleached sulfates. So these type of paper based, cardboard based materials are also used in packaging of that retail ice creams. The structures are with double side polyethylene coating, and the grammage for the papers, it is varying from 225 or 245 or 265 gram per square meter, and it is available up to 500 gram per square meter GSM. Another convenient type of ice cream and packets available in the market, which is called flow wraps. It is available with monolayer or multi-layer with high printing quality. Particularly this type of ice creams, it is packed in oriented polypropylene. Otherwise, with the combination of oriented polypropylene with metallized oriented polypropylene. Otherwise, it is made by single layer oriented polypropylene. The major packaging machineries used in the ice cream manufacturing, it is side sealers for regular products, packaging with shrink films, flow packaging machines for bags filled with ice cream, vertical form and seal for stick bags. Normally these ice creams are hermetic packaging and hygienically safe.
เท่าไหร่อะอูตอนนี้89 กับ 90ประมาณนี้ป่ะ
Another important area, it is labeling. So particularly the ice cream manufacturers, they have to follow FSSAI standards for ice cream preparation, packaging and labeling. In such a case, the Food Safety and Standards Regulation 2011 must be followed for packing and labeling of this ice cream, which indicates the label must carry name of the food, list of ingredients in descending order, nutritional information, name and complete address of manufacturer, net content by weight or volume, lot number or batch identification, date of manufacturing or packaging, best before date, name and complete address of the manufacturers. It has to be mentioned in the labeling. Thank you very much.